Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Eisenhower matrix template. First, let's talk about the Eisenhower matrix. It's a time management tool that helps you prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. It divides tasks into 4 main categories: do now, schedule, delegate, and delete. Now let's dive into customizing this template. You can personalize up to 10 categories to fit your needs. Start by filling in these categories. Once you've set them up, head over to the Task Priority Tracker page. On this page, enter your tasks one by one. After adding a task, choose a category from the drop-down menu based on your earlier setup. Then, select the task's status and mark whether it's urgent and/or important. The template will automatically assign the appropriate action: do now, schedule, delegate, or delete, and change the background color accordingly. Next, set a deadline for your task, and the template will calculate how many days are left. Moving on to a pre-filled table. When you complete a task, simply change its status to completed. The task will be crossed out, and the background will turn gray. If the deadline has passed, the days left column will display overdue in red. If the task is due today, it will say due today. On the right side of the page, there's a table to filter tasks by action. Choose do now, schedule, delegate, or delete from the drop-down menu, and tasks with that action will be sorted by deadlines. This table updates automatically based on your selection. On the left side, you'll find 4 boxes showing up to 10 tasks for today's tasks: overdue tasks, tasks by category, and tasks by status. Just select from the drop-down menus to filter the view. Now let's explore the charts. In the category comparison column chart, you'll see the number of tasks completed versus pending for each category. Darker colors represent completed tasks, while gray indicates tasks still to be done. The status overview chart shows the number of tasks for each status. Below it, you'll see pie charts for the actions: do now, schedule, delegate, and delete. Each chart displays the percentage of completion in the center and shows the count of done versus total tasks underneath. All of this information is calculated automatically. The completion progress section shows the overall percentage of completed tasks along with a progress bar. At the top of the page, you'll find numbers for today's tasks, overdue tasks, completed tasks, and total tasks. Next to that, there's a small key for the Eisenhower matrix action colors as a quick reference. Today's date is displayed in the top right corner. Finally, let's look at the Smart Calendar page. This page is fully automated. Select whether your week starts on Sunday or Monday and choose the month and year. The calendar will update automatically based on your selections. You can view up to 10 tasks per day. Completed tasks will show a check mark, be crossed out, and have a gray background. That's it. This template uses the Eisenhower matrix to enhance your productivity by helping you prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. With its automated features and smart tracking, you'll stay organized and focused. Transform how you manage your tasks and streamline your planning. If you'd like to check out this Google Sheets template, I'll leave the link in the description. See you in the next video, and happy planning!